Okay. Good morning. Good morning once again.
Ma'am. See. Good morning, ma'am.
So I'll call the name of the child. Anya Mittal. Anya Mittal. Anya Mittal, you are not ready for your class, my dear. Why taking so much time? She left the meeting.
What
Children, you are writing. Okay, now listen, everyone. Mikdad, listen now. Write table of 16 and 17 in your notebooks fast.
Am I right only?
Mikdad, you are not audible to me.
Ma'am, see.
Once the tables.
What?
Ma'am, see.
Written the tables once.
I already announced. If you have already done, then also you have to do in your today's classwork again. Riddhi, remove this. What you are wearing, please remove it. Okay.
Ma'am, which tables?
16 and 17.
Okay, ma'am.
And please be ready for your turn. Arav Patel.
Yeah,
16 Forza.
16 Forza.
Yes.
I'm 72.
16. You have not learned the table.
48.
16 Forza 64.
Oh, 16.
Learn tables. You will be graded on the basis of this, my dear. Next is Arna Agarwal. Arna Agarwal. Turn on your
Yes,
mic.
ma'am.
16 5s.
16 5s are 80.
Arya.
Yes, ma'am.
16 7s.
67 112.
Learn tables
Ma'am, she
by
is
heart.
saying.
You are looking here and then giving the answers. Ashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
16 8s.
16 28.
Anushka. Anushka. 16 9s.
Ma'am, 16 nines are 144.
Anvi.
Yes, ma'am.
16 6s.
Ma'am, 16 6 are 92.
92. 16 6s. 96. Aryaman.
Yes, ma'am.
16 7s.
16 sevens. 16 sevens are. Oh, ma'am, 112.
Next child.
Ma'am,
Ayansh.
16
Ayansh.
8.
No, I will say. I will say Ayansh. 16 4s.
64.
Next is children, please sit with your camera on. Dhyan Dalal, please write these two tables in your notebook. Table of 16 and table of 17.
Great, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse
there is.
me, Renu ma'am. Today my camera is not working due to some issues, so
Okay.
I'm not able to on it.
Okay. Ayush Singhania.
Yes, ma'am.
16 6s.
16 6s are 96.
There is Shah.
Yes, ma'am.
16 8s.
16 is a 1 to 8.
Dhyan Dalal.
Yes, ma'am.
16 4s.
64.
Dhyan Chillai. Dhyan. Next Dhyan. Another one. Ekansh. Ekansh.
Yes, ma'am.
17 Faiza.
85.
Gunav. No, wait. Farzan.
Yes, ma'am.
Farzan. 17 Sevenza.
Ma'am, 17 sevens are 17 sevens are 97.
17 Sevenza. 97 only. 119. Learn tables, children. Learn tables. Priya. Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
17 Edza.
17 is 136.
17 Edza. 136. Good. Gunav. Gunav. 16 Sevenza.
16 sevens are ma'am 112.
Jahan Jariwala.
Yes, ma'am.
17 Ninza.
17 nines are.
Megdad, sit properly.
153.
Jahan Jariwala, your mic is on. Your camera is on.
Yes.
Ma'am, Miss camera is on.
Wait. Yeah. But I saw, I hear the background voices. Please do not ask from anyone, children.
Yes.
I'm not taking your parents' assessment. I'm taking your assessments.
Ma'am, you can ask me another one if you want.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. And you can ask me another one if you want.
Yes, I want to, please. Yes, Jahan. Can you give me another answer?
Yes.
17 Faiza.
17 fives are. 55.
No. It's 85.
85, right, 85, yes, 85.
Please learn tables by heart. Jahan Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
16 Sigja.
16 6 96.
96. Jishna Swami.
Yes, ma'am.
16 Ninza.
16 nines are 144.
Good. So till Jishna I have done. Again I will do with the other students. By the time I'm going to post the link in the classroom and you start with your today's assessment.
Ma'am, you will post the link in chat box also, no?
I will post in the chat box as well as in the classroom.
Ma'am, when we do the sums in the notebook, I have to send you.
It is not compulsory. If you want to do in your notebook, you solve it and then give the final answer. It is not compulsory that solve all the questions in the notebook.
So, ma'am, we don't have to write in the notebook, right?
Yes? No.
We don't have to. Right,
No.
okay.
Once you submit your assessment, you will able to see your marks immediately. Link is already posted in the chat box. Now I'm going to post it in the classroom also. Those who log out by mistake in any case, please log in from the classroom. Are you able to see, my dear children? Show me thumbs up.
Yes.
Are you able to log in your Google Form? Yes, Ariman?
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write in notebook also.
No, not compulsory. Just for the rough calculation, keep your notebooks.
Yeah, ma'am.
I will be joining another device, so I will tell you to send another link because
No,
I can't do
link
in
is there in the
device.
classroom. When you join the link from classroom.
Okay.
Meantime, I will again start with the tables. I ended with Jishna, then again, now next is Kahan Jain. Kahan Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Kahan Jain, you have learned the tables?
Yes.
Okay. 17 6
Ma'am, 17 6
Hmm.
102.
Karnav.
Yes, ma'am.
16 4
16 fours are 64.
Next is after after Karnav is Khush, right?
Ma'am, please send the link.
Ma'am, it
Gunav
is
link is
Kahan.
in the classroom. Go from classroom.
Ma'am, it is Kahan.
Kahan is done. Karnav is done. Next is Khush Ahuja.
99.
Gunav, mute your mic, please.
Yes.
Khush Ahuja, 16 5
16 5 80.
Next is Khush Kapadia.
Yes,
Tawassim,
ma'am.
are you able to log in your Google form?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute, Khush. Let me talk with Tawassim. Tawassim,
Yes, ma'am.
आप Google form में enter हो पा रहे हो?
No, ma'am, trying.
Okay. In case if you're not able to, please let me know.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Khush Kapadia. 17 9
17 nines are.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ashvi.
I have left because of internet issue. So you
Ma'am,
can
17 nines are 153.
Ashvi, link is in the classroom also. Go from classroom.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Next is Lakshya Thakral. Lakshya 16 7 Okay. Next is Lamha Shah.
Yes, ma'am.
17 5
85.
Next is Man Rajodia.
Yes, ma'am.
16 7
Ma'am, 84.
16 7
Ma'am, 112.
112. Next is Meet Kevlani. Meet Kevlani.
Yes,
Tawassim. Wait a minute, Meet. Tawassim, आप लॉग इन हो पा रहे हो गूगल फॉर्म में?
Ma'am, trying.
हाँ?
I'm trying to log in.
आपको सिर्फ उस लिंक पे क्लिक करना है. फॉर्म
Yes.
खुल रहा है कुछ लिंक पे क्लिक करने के बाद.
Let me see.
तवस्सिम खुल रहा है.
Yes, it's open.
ओपन नो. आप आंसर
Yes.
नोटबुक में सॉल्व करो एंड देन क्लिक द
Yes.
फाइनल आंसर. 3 या 4 या किसी में 2 ऑप्शंस हैं.
Yes.
ओके. सो फर्स्ट सॉल्व द आंसर्स. अगर आपको डायरेक्टली आते हैं डायरेक्टली क्लिक द ऑप्शंस. इफ यू वांट टू सॉल्व इन योर नोटबुक सॉल्व इट एंड देन क्लिक.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके. मीत. यस मीत. मीत 17 फायजा.
85.
Very good. Next is Migdad. Migdad.
Yes, ma'am.
17 Forza.
68.
Mohit Sharma. Mohit Sharma. Mohit. Children, if you not listen to your teacher and not give the answers, then you know what grades you will get. Nick Italia. Nick Italia. Yes. 17 Sevenza.
17 7. Ma'am, I don't know.
You have learned tables till which number?
Ma'am, I have learned till 13.
I have posted in the classroom last week also, no?
Yes.
Please learn tables.
Yes, ma'am.
Nishika Choksi.
Yes, ma'am.
17 6
Ma'am, 17 6 are 102.
Good. Next is Parinika.
Yes, ma'am.
17 5
17 5 are 85.
Prisha. Prisha, turn on your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
When I call your name, you say me yes, ma'am. Then only I will tell the number.
Okay, ma'am.
17 4
17 fours are 68.
Rahel.
Yes, ma'am.
16 6
Ma'am, 96.
Riddhi. Riddhi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
16 9
16 is a. Ma'am. Hello.
Yes, I can hear
Ma'am,
you. Please.
what is what are you telling?
16 9 Don't look
16
here and
nines
there. I know you are waiting for your answer from anyone. Someone, right?
No.
Okay. I will give you the next another number. Be ready now. Are you able to listen me, Riddhi? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
16 5
16 fives are 16 fives are 80.
Next. Ridhan Goyal. Mute your mic, Riddhi, now.
Yes, ma'am.
Ridhan 16 6
16 6 are 16 6 are 96.
I'll go to
90.
next child. Good. Next child, Riva Kataria.
Yeah, ma'am.
17 5
17 fives are 85.
Rudra Jajaria.
Yes, ma'am.
16 9
144.
Good. Rudra Mangokia.
Yes, ma'am.
17 8
Ma'am.
It's a 136.
Renu, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 136.
Good. Who is saying Renu, ma'am? Yes, Kevna.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I went to the washroom now. So in between, what did you say? Now I didn't hear. So you are saying about the Google form. So can you send it again?
It is in the classroom.
Okay.
Go from classroom. Next is Rudra Master. Rudra Master.
Yes, ma'am.
Rudra 16 8
16 8 144.
144 will be 16 9 16 8 what?
16 8 126.
128.
128, sorry.
Samriddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
17 3
17 1 17 17 17 3 51.
Next is Sia Patel. Mute your mic, Samriddhi, now. Sia Patel. Please pass Sia Patel. I'll move to the next child then. Dhruv Patel. Dhruv Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Dhruv 16, Sikza.
96.
Your voice is not coming, Dhruv. Write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, in
16,
the 12th question,
wait, Migdad. Yes, Dhruv 16, Sikza.
64.
I'm asking from Dhruv, Migdad.
1 second.
Yes. Yes, Migdad, what are you telling me?
Ma'am, in the 12th question,
Hmm.
I can't understand. There is a comma.
Which number is this? LM?
I.
L1, no, plus. Add 3651 plus 48,300.
Ma'am, you are not. And we have to add all the three numbers.
Only two numbers are there, my dear. There are
So
two
what's
groups
the
only.
300 for, ma'am?
There are two groups, 48,300 and 3,651.
Okay, ma'am, you have kept space between, so I cannot understand.
Oh, I'll leave the
And
space.
but what is the comma 300?
My dear, it is comma according to the Indian system.
48,300.
It is 48,300. There are not two different numbers.
Okay, ma'am, I got confused because of the space.
Trisha, do one thing, do my favor. Will you able to see the changes in your Google form now?
Let me check now.
I have removed the space. Just check.
No, ma'am, there is still space.
You please refresh your Google form.
Okay.
If you refresh, maybe your answer will also go. Just check that you have attempted everything.
No, I am not still submitted.
Renu ma'am, your voice is stucking.
Ma'am, you have not taken my name in the.
Yes, Vihan, I will
No, there is still space, ma'am.
Still space, no problem. But this is 48,000. I will present my screen and I will show you.
Okay, ma'am. I understood. Ma'am, you are asking table.
Renu ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, you are asking table from me?
Wait a minute. Let me present my screen first and explain the questions.
Okay.
Milan, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, done. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
It's 3,988 plus 100. Then what will be the answer? 2,547 plus, this is the 3,545 plus 1,000 and equal to sign is there. To make both the sides equal, what you will put on the dash? 4,234 minus what to give you the answer 0? 3,000 minus 568 will give you what answer? Please write. 5 multiplied by 4 plus 5 is what? Out of the options, you have to take one option. What is the product? Product, you all know what you have to find out here. 20 and 40 का product निकालना है. In a school total 56,500 students, if 29,565 are boys, then find the number of girls. What you will do in this case? Plus, minus, addition, subtraction, or multiplication or division. जो भी आपको ऑपरेशन या अप्लाई करना है, you need to find the answer. I request everyone to mute their mics and listen to what I'm reading. Trisha, please mute your mic. Next is a book has 236 pages. How many pages will be there in 125 such books? Which is correct? Out of these formulas which we have learned, which one is correct? You take the correct one. When you divide 3,902 by the 10, what will be the question and what will be the remainder? And divide this 2230 by 14. What is question? What is remainder? Right. Add 3000. Please see this carefully. Maybe in your Google form it's showing space. This is, I have done correction here. 3651 plus 48,300. This is one number, one group of number, one group of number. Add them. Ram bought 12 pencils for 84. What is the cost of 30 such pencils? The answer in division is called what? The quotient, remainder, or the divisor? When you multiply any number with a 0, what will come? 0 come, 1 will come, or the same number will come? Now I am clear with everyone? Okay, continue. I'll stop presenting and I'll start with the tables. Done. If you have done, good. Write tables, continue with your tables and learn them by heart thoroughly. Good, Dhyan, if you have completed. Learn tables, write tables, because you have to be there in the class till 11:40. You will not leave, no one will leave the class till 11:40. If your assessment is done, write tables. If you have done tables till 17, write table of 18 and 19. I will call now next. Yes?
You called me?
No, wait. You continue with your assessment test. I will call your name. Tawassim.
Ma'am, if we have completed the form,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
what am I to do?
I already announced what you have to do after completing Mikdad. I already announced. No, you always get confused because you don't listen in a one go.
Ma'am, you said write tables, but I have written 16 and 17.
If you have already done 16, 17, write 18 and 19. Because you will leave the class only at 11:40. I request Farzan parent, please allow Farzan only to do his test.
Mama!
Yes, Desai, mute your mic, please. Yes, Desai, your mic is on.
When you will say, take my name.
I will call. Next is Tawassim.
Yes, ma'am.
Tawassim, you have learned the tables?
No.
Tawassim, learn tables. I'll give you a chance tomorrow, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Learn tables and come in my class.
Yes.
Trisha Chandrana.
Yes, ma'am.
16 Sigza. So, sorry, 17 Sigza.
17 Sigza.
I request each and every parent, please take a distance from your child. Please do not help them.
17 Sigza. 102.
Yes. Vivan, please do your test by your own, please. Don't take help. Next is after Twisha, Vansh Balchandani.
Yes, ma'am.
16 Sevenza,
112.
Vihan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
17 Ninza,
153.
Vivan Balchandani.
Yes, ma'am.
16 Ninza,
What, ma'am?
16 Ninza.
144.
Next is Vivan Patel. Vivan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
16 Edza.
16 8 120.
Yes, Desai.
Yes, ma'am.
17 Edza.
Ma'am, 17 8 136.
136. Yug Baria.
Yes, ma'am.
17 Faiza.
17 5 85.
25. Good. Children, I told you to write these two tables in your notebook. I hope everyone has done the tables in their notebooks.
Yes,
Table of 16 and 17. Hold your notebooks on your screen and show me.
Can you see mine, ma'am?
Table of Migdad, you have done both the tables?
I just completed 18, so I'm doing 19.
Okay. Please show me your notebooks, everyone, on the screen. Jishna, Rahil, Lamha, Vivan Patel, Twisha Chandrana, Kush Ahuja, Arya Razia. Want to see your notebooks that you have completed your tables or not?
Ma'am, I have written 16 and 17 because that time I'm doing my Google form.
You have not written.
Ma'am, I've written 16 and 17.
Show me.
Yes.
16 and 17 only. Yes. Chan Dalal, you are not at your place.
Ma'am, can you see? Can you see?
Show me your notebook, Chan. Are you seeing Arya, Khan, Koyal, Ruk, Baria? Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you see
Migdad,
mine?
you can put it down.
Ma'am,
Lamha, Priya, put it down.
can you see?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you see mine?
wait a minute. Prisha, yes, put it down. Karna, show me your notebook. Lakshay, show me your notebook. Yes, Priya, put it down. Rudra, put it down. Good. Lamha, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am traveling, so I have done my Google form and I have shown you the table. Can I leave?
Ma'am,
2-3 minutes are more there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, I 16.
Yes. Yes. Yug Baria, you have done? Okay. So children, only 5 minutes are left. Please try to finish your Google form soon. I got the 34 responses. But there were in my class, 55 students were there in my class today. Arya, please, are you able to log in the Google form, Arya?
Yes, ma'am. I
Please fast, do it fast.
I done it and sent
Done it. Okay. Yes, yes, Arna, put it down. Yes, Ayush. Children, only 5 to 6, 4, 5 minutes are left. Please try to submit your Google form as soon as possible.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Riddhi.
Ma'am, I have submitted the Google form and I am traveling, so can I leave?
Yes. Kush Ahuja, you can also leave. Kush Ahuja, leave.
Ma'am, done both the tables.
Good. Wait, Migdad, now learn them by heart. Learn them. Migdad, don't waste your time. Learn them.
At my house already I've learned it.
Okay, good. Excellent. Those who have completed the Google form, learn tables. Focus on your tables, please. Learn tables by heart. Tomorrow we will do 18 and 19. Come prepare with the table of 18 and 19.
Ma'am, can I leave?
No.
Bye, ma'am.
Who is saying bye? Time is still there. Still 2 minutes are there. Those who are leaving before time, you know, you also will be graded on the basis of this. I am watching everyone, those who are leaving the class.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes, Prisha.
Say.
Let me pin you. Very good, very good.
Ma'am, I have read table of 16 and 17.
Learn also, learn. Then write 18 and 19 also. Your today's home task will be table of 18 and 19.
Ma'am, see this.
Learn tables. Tawassim, you also start writing tables in your notebook. Table of 12, 13, 14.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, see this. Table of
Ma'am, I have done till 12 to 20. All tables.
Good. Good, good, Ashvi. Put it down. Good, Avihan. Vivan.
Ma'am, Samrid.
Yes, Samriddhi. Good. And learn also. Learn them also. Okay. Writing is not only enough.
Ma'am, I have learned also and in my notebook.
When the division sum will
given
come,
test
so that
yesterday.
2-digit division you can quickly do.
Ma'am, can we leave?
No.
See.
Yes, now you can leave. It's 11:40 now.
See.
Those who have submitted, yes.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, Vivan, good.
See.
They can leave. Yes,
Only
yes,
one
Vivan.
mistake was.